In front of me is REALME C3i, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now you need to locate and open fingerprint, face and password. Now mark add fingerprint, you've got it under biometrics, and just remember that if you forget your lock screen password, you will be unable to unlock your phone or recover your phone data. Tap on continue, and at first you need to set up some backup. So just enter the password, which can be used instead of this fingerprint. Tap on use anyway, even though it's pretty easy to guess. And now you can smoothly add your fingerprint. You will find the sensor at the back cover of your device, so just turn your device around, and here you've got the sensor. Just keep tapping until it's fully added. So let me show you how it looks on the screen. So smoothly keep tapping and it will be added. Now just adjust the holding position. Just a few more touches. And done. So just click on continue, and from now on you can smoothly unlock your device either with your fingerprint, so smoothly tap on the sensor, that's it, or you can use this password which we set. And that's it. This is how you can protect your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.